Hello, this is Rami Al-Rajab. Chapter 3, Section 2. Start recording. First of all, there are many ways to have your script ready. In my case, I always script my videos for many good reasons. It saves time for recording as well as editing. It makes the videos have a short and clear structure. And also, it's easy to make the needed changes on ideas and thoughts before recording. Some of you may prefer to record directly into the program, or may use a mixture of written text and improvisation through the recording. There is no general rule that prefers the one way or the other. You can make it the way it makes you feel right about it. Now, adjust the input signal of your microphone. Click in the record level bar to monitor the input signal. Use the input level slider to increase or decrease the input signal so that the indicator stays between -6 and -12 decibel. I just speak a few words like test, 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 hello, 1, 2, 3 to adjust the level. Then I grab my script and start recording. For this demo, I have prepared the text of Chapter 1, Slide 12. Usually, I have it display on a separate device such as my iPad, but for this demo, I am presenting it on the screen so that you can see how it works. Once you are ready, click the red record button to start recording. A new track is added to the timeline, and you can see your voice waveform recording. I leave some time at the beginning for the white noise to be included in my recording. Remember, white noise is nothing but your room ambient noise. It will help us later to remove the noise from the recording. I will cover this point in Section 3. Then I speak into the microphone. After I finish, I press the spacebar or the stop key on the screen to stop the recording. Of course, sometimes you need to record more takes. Usually, I repeat the phrases on the same track for 2 or 3 times or even more. It depends on how I feel comfortable about my vocal phrasing and expression. Then, and during the editing process, I will have the chance to compare the audio recording with each other to find the best results. I will come to this in the next section. You have many possibilities for your next take. You can click on the record button again, and the program continues recording on the same track, which I always recommend because of the labeling process that I'm about to show you in the following section. In some other cases, you may need to create another new track. For that, mute the previous track, press and hold the Shift key, then click on the record button. It creates a new track automatically and starts recording. Another way to do that is by going to the Tracks menu, then Add New, then select the mono track, and then you can start recording. I still do believe using 2 tracks for voice recording is a bit tricky and confusing. Once you have finished your recording and you are satisfied with the results, go to the File menu, save the project, and click on Save the project again. You can also use the shortcut Ctrl+S. A warning window pops up. This window is to tell you that this saving process is particularly for Audacity file format, which what you should do right now to save your projects for later editing and processing. Once you have done with audio processing, then I show you how to export your recording as a WAV file, which is the right format for everyone on your team to work with, or to use it in other programs. Click on OK, and the Save Project window opens. Save the project in a location that you're consciously aware of. Create a folder for the project, name the file accordingly. Use a specific combination like CCQ Arabic 1 Chapter 1, etc. and click on Save. A quick hint, always make sure to organize your folders and the file names. Do not let this happen to pure coincidence.